Well, it certainly feels like fall outside, and what better way to celebrate the season than to cozy up with a pumpkin spice latte. Even better, you can do it all without the trip to your favorite coffee shop and without all that extra sugar and calories. I'd like to welcome Alice Smith now. She is a registered dietitian with Alice Approved, based right here in Winston-Salem, and she has a healthier pumpkin spice latte recipe for us. It is so great to have you, Alice. I see you have all of your ingredients out there for our healthy option.
Good morning.
So take it away. Show us how it's done.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. Just like you said, you probably have all of these ingredients in your cabinet. You might not have thrown them together yet, but today is the perfect day. With our pumpkin spice latte, we want to start with milk. So that's milk of choice. If you want to use regular milk, oat milk, I like a coconut milk mixture. I think it adds a great flavor. And then we also add our coffee. This is also a fraction of the cost of what you're paying at the coffee shop. It just might take a few more minutes. And you can have this heated, so you can have your coffee and your milk heated before you put this together in the blender, or you can blend and then heat on the stovetop or in the microwave afterwards.
Okay, so we definitely need a good blender, right, to make this happen?
Well, it doesn't have to be a great blender. We are adding pumpkin, so this is key. Pumpkin, a lot of times at the coffee shop, they don't even add pumpkin in your pumpkin spice latte, which is kind of scary. So we are adding pumpkin. So it's going to take a little bit of blending to get that mixed up, but not too much. So it doesn't have to be too fancy. But pumpkin doesn't have a lot of flavor, so we're really going to flavor it with some spices.
Okay, so list off those ingredients that you have in front of you.
Yes, absolutely. So we've got some pumpkin pie spice, and all of these, don't worry about writing this down. The recipe is at aliceapproved.com. So we've got pumpkin pie spice, we've got cinnamon, we have ginger, and then a little bit of salt. So a little bit of Himalayan salt.
Okay.
And then we're also going to add some vanilla.
And that can of pumpkin you put in first is just a typical can of pumpkin that you get from the store.
Absolutely. So always have this on hand. I like to throw pumpkin in smoothies. It adds lots of antioxidants. It's a beautiful bright color. So pumpkin is super nutritious. So just a can of pumpkin, and you can actually freeze this. So I will freeze pumpkin in ice cube trays if I don't finish the entire can so it doesn't go to waste.
Oh, wonderful. And now that we know how to make one at home before you actually get into blending it and whatnot, I see you're adding some syrup as well. What makes these ingredients so different than a typical coffee shop pumpkin spice latte that we would order?
Yes, so a lot of times there are artificial ingredients, natural flavors, preservatives, food colorings, sugar, artificial sweeteners. So we can really get away from that here if you're making it at home. So just these spices, and then you can control the sweetness. That's a beautiful thing, is no matter how much sugar you want to add, I like to add a natural maple syrup.
Okay.
And you can control if you want to just do a teaspoon up to a tablespoon, however much sugar you want to add in there. Totally up to you.
And then what do you do now? You just blend it, and then, like you said, how do you make it? I guess you could do hot or iced, right?
You can, absolutely. So you can do, perfect. You can do hot or you can do iced. So you could put this over ice, and we're just going to throw that on the blender.
Nice. It's not too long.
It really isn't. So if you don't have a fancy blender, don't worry. You can use an immersion blender. You could use a frother, and you're ready.
There you have it. Oh, I wish I could take a sip out of it through the screen.
I know. I wish I could share with you.
Thank you so much. It's been fun following you on social media as well. You guys won't be disappointed. You can get so many other ingredients and recipes like this and learn how to work with Alice at aliceapproved.com and give her a follow on social media. These links are on your screen right now, as well as her website. A lot of healthy, nutritious options for